Hello guys and welcome back to TechGlob YouTube channel. In this demonstration, how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive. To do that, I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge and type on the Google Rufus and hit enter. On the first link, the official website, and I'm gonna select that link and scroll down the website. Here you will get the list of Rufus exe files. And I'm going to select standard version Windows 64-bit. Okay, so click on that and I'm going to open that Rufus downloaded folder and double click on the exe file. And once the application is open, there is a device and boot selection. When I go to this PC, here you can see I have already inserted the 32 GB flash drive on my system. Okay, here the by default flash drive is selected. Okay, and also I have the ISO file in my system on the desktop. This is Windows 11 23H2. Okay, so you have to select option and then select the desktop. The ISO file is already in the desktop, so I'm going to select open, and now the ISO is going to detect. So then after that, the image options, by default I'm selecting that standard Windows installation and all default selections. Okay, and then if you want volume label, you can change any name, you can assign here. So by the default I'm not going to change. File system NTFS and the cluster size is default. Alright, and then I'm gonna click start and small dialog box will open, so I'm not going to change. Okay, so and create a local account with the username by default administrator and click OK, and then click on yes. And now you can see the status is changed. Okay, and we have to wait until the image is copying complete. And now the bootable USB is ready. You can start Windows installation. And also we have one more option. So type Windows 11 download on the Google and open the Microsoft official website. Here you have to select the second option, create a Windows 11 installation media, and click on download. Media creation tools.exe is downloaded. I'm gonna click open and double click on media creation tools and click accept, and the select language and edition, by default English United States, and edition is Windows 11, and click next. And here there is two options, USB flash drive and ISO. So click on the USB flash drive, and it needs to be at least 8 GB flash drives, and click next. Flash drive is already selected and click on next. And now downloading Windows 11. This will take few minutes. Please wait until the download complete. And now I'm going to skip this long time process because this is short time video. As you can see, the bootable device is ready, so you can ready to install your bootable USB. So if you like this video, please do comments in my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share, subscribe the YouTube channel. See you in the next video.